morning everyone, my name is Ruhi from 9th class. Today I am going to explain about simple past voice. The structure of simple past in active voice is subject plus V2 plus object. The pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. For all pronouns we use only V2 form. Next, now I will write an example for this sentence. He completed the assignment. I wrote this example with the help of this structure. In this sentence, he is subject and completed is V2 form and the assignment is object. If I have to write this sentence in passive voice, first we have to know the structure for passive voice of simple past. And the structure is object plus was by word V3 plus subject. In passive voice, the object is written in first and the subject is written in the last. And the pronoun changes for was by word is for I, he, she, it. We write was, and for we, you, they. We write were. If now I will convert. Now I will write this.
What is singular? What is plural?
In this I, he, she, it is considered as singular form. Singular. This is why we write was. And we, you, they is considered as plural. This is why we write were. Now I will convert this sentence into passive voice, and I will write this sentence in passive voice with the help of this structure. First we have to write the object, and the object in this sentence is the assignment. So we will write the assignment in first. There is the article in front of assignment, and we have to write the article also.
Why is there capital T?
Because in sentence starting we have to write capital letters only. The assignment, now we have to write was by word, but the assignment is considered as a thing. So it is called it. For it we write was. So we will write here was. The assignment was object and was were completed. Now we have to write the V3 form of completed. The V3 form of completed is first V1 form complete, V2 form completed, and V3 form also completed. So the V3 form of complete is completed. So we will write
completed which verb?
Completed.
Which verb? Regular
verb. It is regular verb. Was completed. Now we have to write the subject. In this sentence, he is the subject. If he is converted to him when we write it in passive voice structure. In this plus we have to write why.
Why is here thing? Here subject he no.
Here subject he, but when we write it in passive voice, he is converted to him. This is why we write him. It is.
Say to them pronoun changes. I, me, like that.
In this sentence, active voice structure is subject plus V2 plus object. For the seven pronouns, we use only V2 form. And this example is also written with the help of this structure. And the passive voice structure for simple past is object plus was by verb V3 plus subject. And the pronoun changes are I, he, she, it, was, we, you, they, were, plural. Any singular words we have to use was, and for plural words we have to write were. And we write this sentence with the help of this structure. The assignment is object, and this one is was completed is V3 form, and the subject is him.
We are using he, him, no.
He is converted to him when we
Write
write
like that. Say to like that. I, me, she, her.
In voice, I is converted into me.
Say orally, say orally.
He is converted into him. Her is converted into his. You is.
She is converted to her.
She is converted into her. You will be same. You will not change. Same. It will be you. It will be. It will also be same. It. We means us. They means them. That. Thank you.